Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on some new headlights I've sourced from Simon. So we're going to be doing that today, fitting new bulbs, because mine are literally like fucking candles. I am holding my phone, so I apologise if you see my fat fingers in the camera, but it's just because my gimbal, for some reason, it's just beeping at me and I don't want to be hearing that while I'm trying to record. So yeah, like I said, Simon has hooked me up with some LED headlight units. This box here, I'll show you them in a minute. So these are colour temperature, they run at 6,500 K. Don't know what it means, but sounds good. And he has also hooked me up with a code for everyone who wants 10% off on headlights. You can, it's not just headlights, you can order all sorts of lights for the car. So what I'll do is I will drop the link to his website in the description and the link to these in the description. And obviously I'm going to show you what they look like and the difference between mine and these. And the code is AHVXR10, and I'll also put that in the description if you want to use that for 10% off on his website. So yeah, I'm going to open up the box, show you what's what. They're pretty simple, they look pretty simple, and then I'm going to try and fit them. I've never changed a headlight bulb on the VXR, so if you see me struggling, don't laugh. But I'll show you now, boys. Right, so this is what you get. You get this little box. You have to bear with because I'm doing this with one hand. Open up, you twat. Right, so you get this box. We'll take it somewhere a bit better. Here. You get a little instruction thing with it. Don't want that. Right, so this is what it comes with. So this is the bulb. It's a mad looking bulb. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. Got a little fan. It's a bit like a HID really, but hasn't got the separate modulator thing with it. But yeah, so this is the bulb. It comes with two bulbs, obviously, otherwise you couldn't put them in, and instructions. And I'm going to go outside now and attempt to fit these, and I'll show you the difference between one of these and my standard bulb. These are meant to be like really bright white, so we'll go and see now. It's a lovely day today. Right. Right, there's bulbs on this thing. Right, so they're in here. So this bit is going to be awkward. Right, so I'm guessing I gotta get this cap off here. Well, that side's gonna be awkward, so I've got a fucking air intake in the way. And I can't see a fucking thing down there. Right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the bulb out, and then I'll tell you how to get it out. Put the other one in, tell you how to put it in, and then I'll show you the difference between the two, because I'm not going to be able to record and do this. So I'll get back to you once I've got the bulb in and out. I didn't know you can pull this out. That makes it easier. So yeah, it's in there, just pull it out, and we've got loads more room here now. Right, so it's pretty fiddly, right? So obviously that's in there. You've got to twist it up, so twist it this way, and then give it a wobble, and it pulls out, and then pull this clip back, and then pull this bit from the plug. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. I'll show you once it's apart, because I can't do it with one hand. Yeah, so this bit comes away, so that's the plug, and that bit comes away. Right, so obviously it's going to be exactly the same to put it back on. You're going to plug that plug there, right there, back into this. And then you have to try and get this back in, which is going to probably take me fucking ages. But once it's back in, I'll get the video back on and then show you the difference between the lights. Hopefully you can see it because it's quite bright out here. you should be able to see the colour difference, hopefully. Right, so carry on now. Right, so before you put it back in, make sure they work. At first I couldn't get it to work because I had this the wrong way around. Make sure if you see on this little plug there's a plus and a minus. You need to make sure that's the right way around, if you get me. Obviously when you come to do it you'll see yourself, but then obviously if you see that come on, just make sure that the little fan inside there is working as well, which it is, and then, oh, fucking hell, he broke already. Now it's ready to go back in, so that one's in. I just want to show you something quick. If you look on here, there is this lip here. When I do the next one, I'll try and show you if I can get in there. Obviously, well, I'll be able to move this, so I'll be able to show you. That sits in like a gap. Fucking focus. That sits in a gap on the bottom, so it'll go in and then you twist all the way till it won't twist anymore. It was pretty easy actually, really easy. It was easy to get it in there now. So I'll take this off now and then do this side, but I'll show you what they look like first. Actually, that's probably best to do that. Right, 2 seconds. Right, let's see the difference between the normal one and. Right, so I don't know if you can see, that's a normal one. So it's like a yellowy colour. And this is this one. You can't really see it, but I can see it personally. It's much more like a white colour. It's like a whitey, bluey tinge. I can see the difference, but obviously I can't see it properly in the fucking day. Right, so I'll do this side now. And then that'll be the job done. Pretty easy, but yeah. Right, yeah, so I've taken that off. It's so much easier, so much more room. Let me try and get this in here. Right, so you can see the bulb there. I'll do it. Basically, twist it. Right, so that's both of them in now. They're really good actually. The covers and everything go back on. Sometimes if you have like upgraded lights, the covers don't seem to go back on. You have to cut fucking holes in them. But yeah, that's gone back on. Right, so I'm just gonna put the intake back on now. Give you a quick. You can't really see it. There's not really much point, but you can see the yellow on the other one. So I'll just show you this one. Just makes it both working as well. Right, so you see how much more white that one is. Compared to the yellow that was there before, you can see it. So what I'm going to do is, at night, I'm going to put a video on my Instagram if you want to check that out. Instagram name is right there. Go on there, hit me up later tonight, check it out, and you'll see what they're like. Alright, so that job's done. Just make sure you put this back in as well. If you look down there, it slots in the little into this box. See it down there. Push it down, slots in. Make sure your caps are back on. Where is it? Caps are back on, and then the job's done. And obviously make sure they work. And that's done. Right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean the car, because in 2 weeks' time I am at Santa Pod with the Astra J lot. I missed the last show. Ryan wasn't happy with me, but you know, work comes first. So I will definitely be at this show. I'll be driving 3 hours in the morning to meet everybody at 7 in the morning, so I'll be leaving about 4, so I'll be fucking absolutely knackered. So a big thank you to Simon for hooking me up with these bulbs. I will put a video on the Instagram or a picture just to show you what they're like. So, oh, my finger's in the way, sorry. Just to show you what they're like. I'm tired today as well. Oh. I'll drop the links to the bulbs, his website, and I'll drop my code for the 10% discount in the description as well. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who subscribes and watches my videos. It's, you know, big support, big help to the channel, and I hope to catch you in the next one. And I'll see whoever I haven't met before at Santa Pod on the 26th of this month. Can't wait. See you later. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Forgot to mention that. the best part. Make sure you do that, please. Thank you.